Making Sense of Fractions from Decimals, an Easy Guide. Hello there, English learners and math enthusiasts. Today, we'll be delving into a very important concept in the world of numbers: converting decimals to fractions. By the end of this video, you'll understand the step-by-step process of transforming decimals into fractions and be able to confidently convert them yourself. To start, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what decimals and fractions are. Decimals are a way of representing numbers that aren't whole, using a point, called a decimal point. For example, 0.75 is a decimal number, less than 1 but more than 0. Fractions, on the other hand, represent a division of a whole into equal parts. For example, if you divide a pizza into 4 equal parts, each part is represented as 1/4 of the whole pizza. When we want to convert a decimal to a fraction, we essentially want to express the decimal value as a part of a whole. The process is simple. 1. Identify the place value of the decimal. This tells us the whole we're dealing with. For example, in the decimal 0.75, the 5 is in the hundredths place, so our whole is 100. 2. Write the decimal as a fraction. The decimal number becomes the numerator, top number, and the whole becomes the denominator, bottom number. So 0.75 becomes 75/100ths. 3. Simplify the fraction. This means reducing the fraction to its lowest terms by dividing the top and bottom by their greatest common divisor. In our example, 75 and 100 can both be divided by 25, giving us the simplified fraction 3/4. Let's practice converting a few more decimals to fractions. Example 1. Convert 0.4 to a fraction. 1. Identify the place value. The 4 is in the tenths place, so our whole is 10. 2. Write as a fraction. 0.4 becomes 4/10. 3. Simplify the fraction. Both 4 and 10 can be divided by 2, so we get 2/5. Example 2. Convert 0.68 to a fraction. 1. Identify the place value. The 8 is in the hundredths place, so our whole is 100. 2. Write as a fraction. 0.68 becomes 68/100ths. 3. Simplify the fraction. Both 68 and 100 can be divided by 4, so we get 17/25. Feel free to pause the video here and try some on your own. And that wraps up our video on converting decimals to fractions. Remember, it's all about understanding the decimal's place value, writing it as a fraction, and simplifying it. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a whiz at this. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next session. Happy learning!